Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 10A, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices settings. Now scroll down and choose Display section. After that, scroll down again. This time select font over here and click on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Now you need to select free over here and then tap on apply. To apply your font style, you need to choose reboot and wait. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back into your default one, you need to scroll down and click on Display again. Then tap on Font. And select Profile at the bottom right corner. You can do exactly the same from your theme's app. Then click on Fonts over here under Wallpapers. Click on Roboto. Choose Apply and tap on Reboot to go back to your default font. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!